What's up, everybody? B-Man1313, and welcome to day 2 of our BMW i3 experiment. You can see we're starting today with 41 miles. I did not charge last night. We got 54% of our battery left. We've got 41 miles left of charge. We've been 44.3, so according to this, we can go 85 miles on the charge. The predicted or suggested or what's supposed to happen is 72 miles, so I'm pretty confident we're going to get over that. But let's see what we end up with today. So I did not charge last night, heading off to work, and then seeing if we can make it back home. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, and here we are, just a couple miles from work, about a mile and a half, and we have gone 58, so we'll end up with right at 60 miles, and we've got 26 left, so we'll probably have around 25 left. Alright, what's up, everybody? B-Man1313, and now we are headed home. And we left work with 24 miles on the odometer. Sorry. 24 miles of charge left. And it's gone all the way to 26. And we've driven probably 2 or 3 miles. And there it goes, dropped down to 25. So it's pretty crazy sometimes how it does that. It's temperature. Let's see, we got 32% battery left. And it is 82 degrees. It's nice and warm. So, temperature has so much to do with the battery, and especially in the volt. But I'm learning to see if it has the same effects here on this car and this car. So, got a little bit of a detour to make, not very big at all. It should add about 2 or 3 miles, which is good because I kind of wanted to get home with 0 to see what happens when it turns off and how many miles we've been. We've already gotten 64, so let's see what we end up with today. Well, we made it to 80 miles. We got 8 miles left. I've had 8 miles forever. It's been on that 8-mile range for a long time. There we go. Finally down to 7. Got 10% battery left. Now the Wiz told me that the battery will run out at 5. It will not go to 0. It will not go to 1. Let's see if that's the case. I really want to see what the 10... Oh, now it says 11% battery. I went from 77 miles of gas to 84. So like she was saying, you actually can look at the gas one and kind of gauge how good you're doing. And obviously 84, 83, I was doing pretty good there with the gas. So 7 miles. As you can see, it's 45 here, so I'll do the speed limit. I haven't driven the car. I haven't babied it, but I haven't pushed it. I've driven it in an Eco Pro Plus, but the highest speed limit I probably hit was 50, if not 55. I don't think I had any 55s. I think 50 was the highest. And so the 56 limit did it. So our experiment for these 2 days, yesterday and today, have given us 81, 82 miles now with 6 miles left. %9 battery. I haven't charged it in 2 days working back, but I have not taken the interstate. So what I'm going to do probably tomorrow, if not Thursday, Friday, I will be taking the interstate for 2 days and seeing if we end up with the same thing, which I doubt it, obviously, but we'll see what we end up with. Either way, it's pretty cool because it's double the mileage of the Volt. Double in electricity, but in gas, the Volt eats this one alive. Now that's because of the battery, the size of the gas tank. We're down to, oh, she's not lying. It got to 4 miles. I saw 4 and we are now on gas. So 83.1 miles, 83 miles on electricity. And the gas supposedly is on. The battery says it's at 7%. But if you notice that there's no more mileage on the battery meter, even though it shows you there's a little bit of battery left. And now we're riding on gas. I'm gonna see how big the battery is in this car. The Volt gives you that 10 kilowatts per charge. This one lets you use 93% of the battery and does not let you drain it out to 0. So, but it's kind of funny, it doesn't consider that. It tells you you have 5 extra miles when you didn't. Now we got an extra 11 miles from, it says we're supposed to go 72 and we went 83, so we got more than we paid for. But yeah, that's real world driving. Now the only catch there I have to put an asterisk on it, that it's a warm day. You're not going to get that on cold days. I'm not going to get to drive this one on cold days, so I won't know. But the Wiz did say, she said it went down to 75 to 70, 75 she was getting. So cold days it will drop it, warm days you'll get more. So hope you enjoyed the video, but more importantly I hope it was beneficial to you to see what you can and can't do, how far you can and can't go. Again, right now going a little bit over the speed limit, so I didn't baby the car. That's the way I drive. That's it for today. B-Man 1313 out.